Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. This is Nasib and you are welcome to my channel Nasib IT. Friends, today in this video I will show you how to design this business card easily by using Photoshop. So let's start the video. So friends, first of all we have to set up a page. To do it, you have to click on here. Then you have to select insert from here. Then you have to click on this box. Then you have to press 3.5. Then you have to click on this box. Then you have to press 2. Then you have to click on this box. Then you have to press 300. Then you have to click on the OK. After set up the page, you have to select the pencil from here. Then you have to click on here. Then you have to click on here and draw a curve. Then you have to press and hold key. Then you have to click on the anchor point. Then you have to click on here, here, and here. Then you have to select the move tool from here. Then you have to select the pen tool again. Then you have to click on here. Then you have to click on here and draw a curve. Then you have to press and hold key. Then you have to click on the anchor point. Then you have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then you have to press and hold key. Then you have to click on the anchor point. Then you have to click on here, here, and here. Then select the move tool, then double click on here, then select the red color, then click on the OK, then drag this under this layer. Then you have to select this layer again, then press and hold key, then take up from this layer. Then you have to rotate this layer, then double click on here, then select the blue color, then click on the OK, then drag this under this layer. Then you have to drag this layer in here, then increase the size of this layer, then click on the tick mark. After that, you have to select the pen tool again, then you have to click on here, then you have to click on here and draw a curve. Then you have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then press and hold Alt key, then click on the anchor point, then click on here, here, and here. Then select the move tool, then double click on here, then select the red color, then click on the OK. Then drag this layer in here, then press and hold Alt key, then take over from this layer. Then double click on here, then select the blue color, then click on the OK. After that, you have to unlock the background layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option, then click on the color overlay, then click on the head, then select the black color, then click on the OK. Then you have to select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option, then click on the gradient overlay. Then click on here, then scroll down from here, then click on the orange. Then you have to select this color from here, then select this, then click on the color, then select this color from here, then click on the OK. Then select this, then click on the color, then you have to select this color from here. Then click on the OK. Then click on here, then click on the color, then you have to select this color, then click on the OK. Now we have to select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option, then click on the gradient overlay. Then click on here, then select the orange from here, then click on here. Then you have to select this, then click on the color, then select this color, then click on the OK. Then select this, then click on the color, then you have to select this color, then click on the OK, OK, OK. Now we have to select this, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option, then click on the gradient overlay, then click on the OK. Then you have to select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option, then click on the drop shadow. Then you have to select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option, then click on the drop shadow. Then you have to select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option, then click on the gradient overlay. Then click on the OK, then select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option, then click on the gradient overlay. Then click on here, then select this, then click on the delete, then drag this in here, then select this, then click on the color, then we have to select this color from here, then click on the OK. OK, OK. Then I have to include the icons and write the text in here. I am already write the text, so I am pasting the text in here. After that, you have to select the shape tool, then right click on this, then click on the rectangle tool. Then draw the shape in here. Then select the shape, then click on the color, then select this color, then select the move tool, then click on the anchor point, then right click on this layer, then click on the desktop. Then drag this layer in here, then press and hold Alt key, then take over from this layer. So now we have to open our logo. So I'm opening my logo from my PC. After set the logo, I have to select the shape tool again, then right click on this layer, then click on the round shape. Then draw this shape in here. Then select this shape, then double click on here. Then select this color, then go to the layer panel and drag this layer under these layers. Then I have to drag this layer in here, then decrease the size of this layer, then drag this layer in here, then press and hold Alt key, then take a copy from this layer, then increase the size of this layer, then drag this layer in here, then double click on here, then select this color, then click on the OK. Then I have to drag this layer under this layer. Then I have to select these layers, then lock these layers. Then I have to select these layers, then drag these layers in here. And click on the tick mark. Then I have to select these layers, then press Ctrl plus C button from keyboard, then press Ctrl plus V button from keyboard. Then drag these layers in here, then double click on here. Then write your company name in here. Then click on the tick mark, then double click on here. Then write your company category in here. Then select these layers, then drag these layers in here. Then increase the size of these layers, then drag these layers in here. Then I have to select these layers, then drag these layers in here. So now our business card design has been completed. Now we have to set this business card in a mockup. So I am opening a mockup from my PC. After opening the mockup, we have to double click on here. Then I have to back to the project. Then I have to unlock all layers from here. Then I have to select all layers from here. Then I have to drag these layers in here. Then I have to set this business card in here. After set the business card, you have to press Ctrl plus S button from keyboard. Now here you can see the final result. Friends, if this video is useful to you, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.